Hi guys, it's Sarah Taylor. This is a 30 by 40 inch acrylic on canvas called Seamless. And you'll see the irony. That's cerulean blue, modern masters, iridescent gold, nickel azo gold, golden fluids, Prussian blue and Paynes gray. They're both Amsterdam colors. That's modern masters, iridescent pearl with a little bit of white Amsterdam paint in there as well. That's random green. And then that is Amsterdam Professional Series Phthalo Turquoise. It's really pretty color. That's green gold by Liquitex Basics. That's kind of a beigey color mixed with some Deco Art champagne. And that's my base coat. Very, very light gray color. And then this is the cloud over stuff. So that's Deco Art garnet, and then Deco Art 24K gold. That's a light gray cloud over mixture, and then that's a light pink cloud over mixture. So the Deco Art sapphire or the garnet, I mixed in some Prussian blue into that paint to give it kind of a plum color. I love my plum paint, if you haven't noticed. Just putting a little bit of white paint down on the edges, get it a little bit tacky. So let me tell you what happened with this painting. The base coat recipe was different than what I had been using, and I didn't test it very well. I just was excited. I had this canvas prepped and ready and was jumped the gun a bit. So there's the base coat going down. And it was kind of a different formula that I'd been playing with a little bit. But when I put my color, you guys are going to see what happens. It ate everything up. It really consumed all of my color, and I didn't really like what was happening. So I looked at it and I thought about it, and you're going to see what I did. And I like swiping paint. Courtney Hoschauer and Gail Burston and Kathleen Osmore are all really, really good at swiping. So I swiped it, and I thought it was cool, and I was feeling a little wild, I think, and I started taking some of my cloud mixtures and sort of splattering it all over the canvas, which I've always kind of wanted to do just for fun, and this seemed like the right opportunity to get some organic splattering going on. So I have this really cool center line in this painting, and look how fast it's reacting. My base coat, it has too much satin enamel in it. It just was not right, and it just starts to completely take over. So my goal with these beautiful purling satin enamel cells is to keep color and to keep interest and design. Just that's more my aesthetic, and usually it takes about half hour, 40 minutes to develop, and this was like a matter of 3 minutes, and it just started to completely take over. So I work with it a little bit with my knife. I'm kind of like, I don't really know what to do with this painting. So it's really funny. Sometimes fluid art does this, and there was so much beautiful paint underneath all those white cells that swiping it was actually a really good call, because it pulled all that color back up, and it actually created some really pretty sort of pearl-like cells after I swiped it. So anyhow, I hope you enjoy it. This is going to be for sale on my website, so I'll put a link below. I can ship within the US, and yeah, check it out. I'm also going to be somewhat available for some commission work in the coming months, so I hope you're having a beautiful day. And that's just a damp paper towel. I just kind of dampened one side of it. And yeah, have a great day and take great care. Okay, you guys, we'll see you soon. Bye.